Hey buddies, welcome to a new video on my channel, and today is the day. The engine goes back in the car. And yeah, I prepared the engine bay already, put all the harnesses away and everything. And like you've seen in the engine bay episode, we put the motor mounts, or we put new ones in there. And well, there's the engine, ready too. And I would say I go ahead and the engine in here. And then we see this again later, because we have some modifications on the front end as well. Since we're not going with the oil radiator in there anymore. And yeah, I would say I go ahead and we see this in a little bit. Yeah, the engine is back in the car. And I connected the most of the stuff. Fuel lines are connected, intake is connected. Still waiting on some little parts like the vacuum hose. I have to get the idler valve back in. CV axles are already mounted. The exhaust system is already welded completely in. So basically everything is good to go. And like right now, probably the engine will also start up. But we're gonna finish this system here quite quick. So we have all liquids back in there. And then I already cleaned up the harnesses and strapped them down where they belong. Except for that, I get the battery in so I know where which or how long which cable is gonna be and tie it down the position where it is. And then the next step is gonna be get the radiator in, and then we're gonna hook up the oil cooler again. And for that we are building a little frame. We welded in right in front of the water cooler. And yeah, I would say we're gonna put that back in, and then we're gonna see this again when I hook up the oil radiator. Okay, the front end is in. There's the oil radiator. I know it doesn't look like the best, but it fits right there, and it will be good for the first time. Maybe relocate it somewhere else later. Maybe make a nice bracket to set it right here also. But for right now, it's located right there. Everything else is hooked up. The cooling system, I already filled something in there. Filled the transmission up. Filled the power steering up. Filled one big canister in the engine. Now we need a little bit more oil because of the oil cooler system. So what we're gonna have to do right now, before we start the first time, we have to crank it a little bit to get the oil everywhere. And after that, we're gonna see if we can actually start it the first time. Yeah, it's always a nice moment if you have a project you're working on for a couple of weeks, like rebuilding the whole engine. We got the pistons out and everything, and then you crank it the first time. After that, it's a nice feeling, and I want you to be here with me right now. Okay. So we disconnect the distributor, so the engine won't start, and now we crank it a little bit. I just cut a couple of seconds for that in because it's pretty boring. I think I crank it for like a minute. So oil should be everywhere now. Now we hook the distributor cap back up. And now I need something to start from right here. Let's check the oil level first. Fill out a little bit of oil. Now we're gonna check it again. Yeah, it's right in the middle. That's good. Okay. Okay. So I got a screwdriver, big one. That will be our starter. And let's see if you can wake that baby up. That was the wrong direction. So that was just the first startup. I don't want to run it too long right now. Well, yeah, I'm happy it's running, but yeah, it's running a little bit rough, but that is normal because remember the camshaft what we have in there. So I was expecting that it's not idling fine, but I'm okay with that. Yeah, and the ignition is not on time yet. Yeah, I go ahead, put the rest on, and then we're gonna set the ignition, and then it's good to go. Yeah, so it's running. I'm gonna set everything back up, and then I would say we're going on the carbon right here. I put everything back together, and then we got a little bit of carbon. All right, buddies. See you next week.